Hi everybody, this is George again with a new video about playing the blues. If you are new to this channel, check out the other videos too, and please support my channel by writing a little comment and hitting the thumbs up button. In the last video I introduced one of my favorite ways to play the blues. What about adding a couple of bass notes to it? Same with C7. Between D7th and C7th I only play the chromatic note down. And in the last two bars I play a little turnaround bass line. So here we go. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. See you soon.